Let's start off with creating a new file so that we can create a business hierarchy setup. Let's click next. Here are some options if you want trading accounts, budgeting. In the business column, you can put the company name, where I am putting it as demo business. The company address as well. Office 567 Demo Street, Dubai, UAE. The contact person name, the phone number, the fax number if it's there, the email address, the website. Company ID could be your trading ID or the license number as given by the authorities. In the counters, you can change everything: the bill number according to your format, the customer number, employee number. You can put your own format, your own numbers starting. Let's change the currency to AED as I am in UAE. You can get it for your location as well. It supports a lot of them. Next, here we'll be choosing the accounts. See, you can see a lot of options are there, but what we are going is for a simple business accounts. Have a look at the other accounts, may be of use to your model, but we are going for a simple business accounting system. We won't be changing anything right now. We'll just go next. Here is a basic look at the accounts which are getting created. We can modify them later on. We can change the names. We can do a lot of modifications later on. There is a general idea of what it creates in a business hierarchy. Next, I think we are done. We'll apply. The basic step right now is to save the file. This is the main file which we'll be saving. You can save it in your document or you can save it in cloud if you have a Dropbox or a Drive folder, as you like. So I think it's done. We'll go on with the next one. Thank you.